Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best artificial outdoor ferns available on the market, the Opps Fake Artificial Ferns. If you're looking to bring a touch of greenery to your home or garden without the hassle of maintenance, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why these faux ferns are making waves in home decor. First off, let's talk about what makes the Opps Fake Artificial Ferns stand out. This product comes in a pack of 24 lifelike Boston ferns that are perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. The first thing you'll notice is their impressive realism. Made from high-quality silk fabric and plastic, these ferns mimic the look of real plants, giving you that fresh, vibrant aesthetic you desire without the upkeep. One of the key features of these artificial ferns is their UV resistance. Unlike other faux plants that may fade under the sun, these ferns are designed to withstand various weather conditions, maintaining their rich green color. Whether it's a sunny patio or a shaded balcony, you won't have to worry about these plants losing their appeal over time. Another great aspect of these ferns is their adjustable stems and leaves. You can easily bend and shape them to fit your decorative needs, allowing you to create the perfect arrangement for your space. This adaptability makes them ideal for various settings, from planters to hanging baskets or simply as standalone pieces on a windowsill. And let's not forget about maintenance. One of the greatest benefits of the Opps Fake Artificial Ferns is that they require no watering, pruning, or special care. They're perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle or for those who want to enjoy greenery without the responsibilities that come with real plants. Simply place them in your desired spot and enjoy the beauty they bring to your home. So, where can you use these artificial ferns? The possibilities are endless. They can enhance the decor of your front porch, patio, garden, or even your living room. These ferns are versatile enough to fit in with farmhouse aesthetics, modern decor, or traditional styles. They can also make a stunning addition to events or parties, adding a vibrant touch to your decorations without the worry of wilt or mess. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to add greenery to your home or outdoor space without the commitment of real plants, the Opps Fake Artificial Ferns are a fantastic option. Their lifelike appearance, UV resistance, and low maintenance make them a top choice for anyone wanting to enhance their decor effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in this product, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.